All right, folks. So really quickly, I'm going to talk about managing your citations and getting citations out of web pages or different software tools. So I have other videos that cover installing these packages. Right now, I'm going to focus on just showing you. I'm going to use Zotero because that is the one that I have found that integrates easiest for me. I'm in a Google Chrome browser on a PC. Okay, so I've already added Zotero both as a plugin, okay, by going on, over here to extensions and managing my extensions in the Chrome store. So I have a Zotero plugin in my Chrome browser that I can, get to with a single click. I also have Zotero on my computer where I can see all of the citations that are for my different buckets. Here I've just created this new data analytics folder to hold these references that I'm going to start pulling off the web. Okay, so I have all of these things installed already and activated. So I'm going to come on over here. I'm going to click on my Zotero plugin, and you'll see I got this little pop-up that says saving to. This looks very similar to the libraries that you will see here. So anytime I add a folder in my desktop application, it will be available to me for saving to here. Okay. I can add tags that are separated. I can say data, whatever. Okay. And then I can click on done. All right. So it disappears here from Chrome. I can go ahead into my Zotero application and check and see, yes, it made it here. Okay, I can click on the information. I have all the citation information that was exportable from O'Reilly or from the website. You'll see that I don't have last name for the author because it couldn't pick it up right here. Okay, it does look like it was by the EMC Educational Services, so I may want to update the author, EMC, Education Services. Okay, I'm gonna Control S on that to make sure it's saved. Okay, I've got my, little information here on it. Okay, it's a book. All right, it's in English. Here's the ESPN. When I accessed, okay, it doesn't provide me when it was published. Publisher, I've got publisher here is Wiley. Okay, and publication date is January 2015. Okay, all right. Okay. So it has now done this for the whole book for me. What if I was interested in it just doing on a particular chapter? Well, I'm going to go ahead and click on chapter 1, and I'm going to see what happens. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing again. I'm going to say just chapter 1 here, and I'll hit return, come click on it, and look, it has now added me a new one here. Okay, so in this one, it's showing us that it's gotten this initial abstract, so it's basically just captured this initial information for us and placed it in here. So again, like I'm still missing key information that I may want. So it works as well as it can work. The really helpful thing is it can get you this last access, date and timestamp, things like that. So you may still have to go through and add some information. All right, now let's say I'm ready to export this. Okay, I want to really quickly export the item. Okay, it gives me some options in how I can export it. All right, I'm going to do as a RIS if I wanted. I could do, kind of anything. I am going to just click on CSV and click OK for now. Okay, I'm going to put this into my downloads folder and click save so I can quickly examine it. Okay, over to my downloads, look at my exported items. It came out as a CSV, which is an Excel spreadsheet. And so it basically gave me a data set. Okay, if I had multiple exporting out of Zotero, for example, if I were to select all of these, okay, and then export them, I could do the same thing. Okay, close that and overwrite it. Okay. And then if I were to look at it now, I have just a larger data set. Okay. Obviously, it is only as good quality as the information I put into it. But this is one way that I can quickly, create a record of what I am reading and what is relevant to me. Okay.